In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your TurboTax account. Whether you're preparing to file your taxes or just checking your previous filings, accessing your TurboTax account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. You can do this by entering the URL, which is turbotax.intuit.com, into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be on the TurboTax homepage, where all the tax-related magic happens. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Sign In page. It's worth noting that this button might be located slightly differently, depending on whether you're accessing the site on a desktop or a mobile device, but it should always be clearly visible. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll be prompted to enter your user credentials. If you've logged in before, you might see your account already listed. Simply select your account from the list. If not, manually enter your username or email associated with your TurboTax account. Following this, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure you're typing it correctly, as passwords are case sensitive. If you prefer, TurboTax offers other verification methods to access your account, like a security question or a code sent to your phone or email. This extra layer of security helps protect your sensitive information. Now, with your credentials entered, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. If everything was entered correctly, you'll be taken directly to your TurboTax account dashboard. From here, you can begin working on your taxes, review previous year's filings, or access any other features TurboTax offers. In case you run into any issues logging in, such as forgetting your password, don't worry. There's an option right there on the login page to reset it. Just click on Forgot Password and follow the prompts. You'll typically need to verify your identity through your email or phone number, so make sure you have access to those. And there you have it. You're now logged into your TurboTax account and ready to tackle your taxes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, TurboTax's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy tax filing!